Because Bessie is bored of playing with her usual text string, where the only characters are C, O, and W. Farmer John gave her Q new strings, where the only characters are M and O. Bessie's favorite word out of the characters M and O is obviously moo. So, she wants to turn each of the Q strings into moo, using the following operations. First operation is to replace either the first or last character with its opposite, so that M becomes O and O becomes M. And the second operation is to delete either the first or last character. Unfortunately, Bessie is lazy and does not want to perform more operations than absolutely necessary. For each string, please help her determine the minimum number of operations necessary to form moo or output -1 if this is impossible. In the sample inputs, we can get MOO easily in the first case. However, we are stuck in the second case because we need to replace the middle M with an O, but there is no operation to perform that since it is not at the beginning or end of the Q string. This makes Bessie realize that an interior O is required in order to get a MOO, such as this example. Bessie also realizes that eventually she has to perform at least n-3 operations to arrive at MOO in the best case scenario such as this one. If the O is not surrounded by M on the left and O at the right, Bessie must perform a few operations. Here are the number of possible extra operations needed for the end of Bessie's game in addition to the minimum n-3. Since the Q strings are short, this algorithm can be implemented directly by using a loop to find an O and then checking the left and right of the O. If there is no interior O, the output is -1. If there is an O surrounded by M on the left and O at the right, we break the loop and output n-3. Otherwise, check all OS to see which one leads to the minimum number of operations. Thank you for watching. Visit our website, starleague.us, for additional resources and live courses.